won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song.
Hello friends and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Katrina, aka Mumma Cat, and here on my channel I share grocery hauls, meal plans, what's for dinner videos, cook with me videos, freezer meal prep. I actually have a new series out now, monthly freezer meal prep videos, so if you love that content, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below, turn on the bell notifications to all so that you are notified every single time that I upload a new video. And also while you're there, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up because it helps my channel out a ton. Now I know I'm talking really quickly, but one more thing before we get into the grocery haul. Today's video is a collab with Ellen from over on Ellen Plans. She's also here in Australia, so if you love my content, you're gonna love hers too. She shares grocery hauls, budget friendly, budget type videos as well. And so if you are into like frugal living and all that kind of thing, definitely head on over and check out her channel once you are done watching my grocery haul today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this week's huge grocery haul. All right, so everything is unpacked and I've managed to fit everything on the one bench. I've had to turn the air conditioner on though because it is super hot in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to film this all in one take without editing it down too much. I've had a couple people say that, you know, I talk too quickly and things like that, and I think that also is contributed to the fact that when I edit all of the ums and ahs out, it goes quite quickly jumping between each grocery item. So I'm gonna try and not edit it and just move on sort of slowly to each grocery item. It'll still be pretty quick, so don't, you know, jump out of this video thinking that it's gonna be slow and long and take up a bunch of your time, because I'm trying my best. But yeah, I'm gonna try and, you know, just slow it down a little bit. So I'm gonna start over this side. I grabbed a bunch of spreads this week. I grabbed some Vegemite. I also got some smooth peanut butter and some crunchy peanut butter as well. We are running out of basically everything in the pantry at the moment. And I also grabbed some of this low GI honey. I tried this for the first time at my mum's house. I think it was around Christmas time, and I honestly could not taste the difference. She personally thinks that it tastes better, and my son, who eats this quite a lot, didn't mind it at all, didn't notice the difference. So hopefully he is going to be happy with that change, because if you've been here a while, you know that I love any low GI products in our diet. I also grabbed 2 spray extra virgin olive oils. I ran out of that, like I reckon it was a couple weeks ago now when I did my freezer meal prep video. So I've been really needing that, so I grabbed 2 cans so that I don't run out of that for a while. I stocked up on these spaghetti sauce tins. I got 5 of those. I didn't really want to panic buy, so I've been sort of sensible, but I also at the same time wanted to make sure that we didn't run out of things that we eat quite a lot, because the stores are running out of everything. Prices are going up, and you know, it's just, I tried to sort of have a happy medium between panic buying and making sure that I'm keeping my family fed. So I did grab 5 tins of that. I also grabbed 1 little tin here of the tomato paste. My son asked if we could make pizzas this week. I do try to have like pizza night once a week, but it doesn't always work out. So I grabbed it this week though, because we haven't had it in a few weeks. So he's really excited about that, and that little tin should be plenty. For like non-food items, I've just got all that sort of here, so I'll go through that quickly. I've grabbed 2 of the Jack and Jill fluoride free toothpaste for my kids. I got the milkshake flavor, and I also grabbed the strawberry flavor that they love as well. I stocked up on some toothbrushes for them, so I just got these K-Kids ones. I've never used these before, but my 4-year-old doesn't need to use the baby ones anymore, and this says like 4 to 8 years, so I just grabbed a huge pack of those. And then for my youngest, she's 2, I grabbed her one of these Mickey Mouse 2 to 4 years ones, so I'm still gonna keep buying them for her just for a little bit longer, and then she can start using the cheaper ones as well. I also grabbed a couple glue sticks. The kids are just loving like crafts and stuff at the moment, and you know, especially because we're home so much more, I'm trying my best to come up with more fun activities and things for them to do. So I just grabbed a couple glue sticks. They were half price, I'm pretty sure, in the back to school section, so I stocked up a little there, including these connector pens. I don't know about you, but I feel like I haven't grown up when it comes to back to school items. I get so excited when I see connector pens on sale. I usually wouldn't need to buy them because obviously connector pens last quite a while when you're an adult because you're not coloring like huge areas, but my kids use my connector pens, so they tend to go blunt and, you know, run out quite quickly now. So I'm excited. I've brought myself 2 new packs. The kids can just go wild with my older ones now because I've got new ones. I also grabbed a bunch of like fancy kind of hand washes and shampoo and conditioner. I call it fancy because usually I use just, you know, whatever's on the bottom shelf, just the cheap stuff, because I don't really mind too much. But these ones here, the COLLAB, these ones in particular were half price when I brought them. I actually brought these not in this grocery haul, but I didn't get to show them, so I thought I would just pop them in this grocery haul. I haven't opened them yet, but these COLLAB ones were half price, so they were down from $30 to $15. So in my opinion, if something costs $30 for our hair, it's got to be good, because the ones I usually buy are around $5. Like, they're so much cheaper. So I grabbed these ones. They look good. I've never tried COLLAB before. If you've tried it, let me know what you think of it in the comments. I'm hoping it will help my like frizz issue that I have going on. I don't know if you can tell in my intros and stuff, but it's like, it's a massive problem, and it really drives me crazy because I have no idea what products to use. I've tried like frizz ease and things like that, but nothing's keeping it under control. So I don't know, I'm hoping that will be, you know, maybe putting something a bit more expensive in my hair might help. This week though, I did grab these Sukin cleansing hand wash. That was half price, or it was in the catalog, and it was a good price. This one I found interesting. This is a natural deodorant. I'm pretty sure Sukin, it is. Sukin's an Australian brand, which is another reason that I really wanted to try these out. But this is like a spray natural deodorant. It's aluminium and paraben free. I don't know, I just thought that sounded really interesting. I don't have high hopes for it because I have tried natural deodorants in the past and they're just no good. They have nothing on like the normal deodorants with the aluminium and stuff in them. Obviously it's not good for you, and there's a lot of risks that come with that, but the risk is minor compared to smoking cigarettes or something like that. So anyways, I thought I'd give their natural deodorant a try anyway, just because why not? I wanted to see what it's like, and yeah, the hand wash as well. So we'll see how they go this week. If you've tried them, again, let me know in the comments what you think of them. I would love to know. I love getting reviews from you guys on the things that I buy, especially the things that I haven't tried before, like those things. I also just grabbed a toothpaste for my partner and myself. Then I grabbed some coffees. So you guys know I absolutely love the Nescafe caramel. Well, I said I didn't want to edit. I grabbed 5 boxes of these Nescafe caramel lattes. They were half price this week, so I always like to stock up when they're on special, except just like a lot of things in the stores at the moment, the shelves are just empty. Like a lot of the stores, you know, struggling to keep up with demand and things like that. I'm not really sure what exactly is going on. I don't turn the news on ever in this house just because it's massively anxiety inducing, if that's the right word. So I don't know what's going on, but I know the stores, they had like a little warning on the online shopping app that said, you know, a lot of things are going to be out of stock, so bear with them. So I'm not angry or anything. I'm not upset at this change, but I'm not a huge fan of the Moccona caramel lattes. But I tell you what, when I saw them, my partner's like, oh, you don't like them? I'm like, yeah, I know, but compared to last week's extreme budget grocery haul challenge and what I had to eat throughout the week, I am just so happy to be able to afford these in the first place, that I don't mind whether they gave me the cheapest home brand caramel lattes. I would have been grateful anyway. So I'm grateful for these. I'm grateful I can afford these, so I am not complaining at all. But yes, that's just one thing that I always stock up on if you're new here, is these Nescafe caramel lattes. I am absolutely obsessed. The camera's a little wonky too, see, I'd edit that as well, but I'm not going to. So then I also grabbed some milk this week. See, you guys see now why I edit things and it goes like jumpy from one thing to the other, because I am just so unco and unable to just get through the grocery haul smoothly. Next thing that I grabbed was 2 long life milks. We ran out of milk last week and I really just hate when that happens, so I wanted to make sure that we had a couple long lives in the cupboard in case they do run out. I also grabbed a 2 litre A2 light milk as usual, which I will show you soon. It's on the other side of the table. But I grabbed this Pure Harvest organic oat milk as well. I haven't tried this one before, but I'm pretty sure someone in my comment section suggested it to me once upon a time, so I'm excited to finally be trying that. I'm just going to throw that in our smoothies this week instead of almond milk. Next thing that I grabbed was cereals. We needed to stock up on the cereal badly, so I got some Messy Monkeys Choc Crunch cereal. That was $2, so that was half price. I also grabbed a massive family pack of the Milo cereal. My 4-year-old loves that. And then a huge family pack of the Just Right cereal for myself. My 4-year-old also goes through that like crazy as well. So I wanted to stock up on those 3. The pantry was looking really empty when it came to cereal. Every time the cereal runs out, I think, nah, that's it. My kids are going to start eating hot meals for breakfast, you know, scrambled eggs, things a lot healthier than cereal. And then I just panic when it's run out and I'm like, no, I need to restock because these kids are not going to eat scrambled eggs. Anyways, I do my best. So the next thing that I grabbed at the back here was just a 4-kilo bag of potatoes, just so we can make mashed potatoes throughout the week. They were way cheaper this week. They were like the same price as the 2-kilo bags. So I always love grabbing them when they are cheaper. Frozen nuggets is another thing that was pretty much sold out in every single brand except for this one and one other, I think. So I grabbed these Ingham's free range nuggets. They're a lot more expensive than the ones that aren't free range, but I wanted to grab some. I wanted to make sure we had some in case pretty much every brand runs out, because I don't want my kids to run out of chicken nuggets. They'll be devastated. So I grabbed 1 box. The next thing that I grabbed was 2 packets of these tasty cheese corn thins. My 2-year-old is absolutely obsessed with these, and they actually have a lot of flavor in them. They taste really good on their own. I also went ahead and grabbed a huge 2-litre pack of tomato sauce. I think that was half price as well this week. I grabbed some dates as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to film another monthly meal prep this week or not, but whenever I get around to that, I am going to be making up a batch of they're like chocolate energy ball, like nut balls, I don't know, but they're really tasty and they have dates in them, so I wanted to have a bunch of those. And dates are actually really expensive, but I found that these home brand, Woolworths brand, were way cheaper, and when I looked at the ingredients and everything, it's the exact same thing. So I don't know why I would spend money on a higher end brand, especially with how expensive they are at the moment. The next thing that I grabbed was some ground cumin. We use this in pretty much everything we cook. It has so much flavor. I love this spice so much, but I grabbed one of those. We're running out of the one that we have in the cupboard. I also grabbed a cucumber for snacking on this week, mostly for the kids' lunches. I grabbed 2 tomatoes for myself this week just to put on saladas with some cheese. I grabbed some strawberries. They're creeping up in price again. It was so good when they were only $1 the other week. So anyways, I think they're like $2.50 now. I also grabbed 2 bunches of bananas. I also grabbed another pineapple this week. Again, I'm so upset. It doesn't have like the cute little pretty pineapple head that you would expect when you buy a fresh pineapple, but anyways, as I said, I'm not complaining about anything in this week's grocery haul. I'm so grateful to be able to afford all this stuff. I also grabbed a big 1 litre, I think that is, tub of yogurt. That's just to go with the kids' lunches and my own lunches. I grabbed some cream cheese for the kids' lunches this week. I grabbed a big buttery Proactive thing. It just works out a lot cheaper to get this big large pack, and I'm pretty sure we've got very minimal amount of that in the fridge at the moment. I grabbed a big lettuce here, mostly for the kids' lunches, also we're having lasagna one night this week, so I also grabbed that just to make up a quick little salad on the side. I grabbed some ham for the kids. I got both honey hams. I think I got 2 different hams, but maybe they sold out of the other one and just substituted it, which is fine. The kids love that one. I grabbed some pizza bases for the kids to make pizzas with, as I said earlier, with the tomato paste that I got. And I'm also going to use one of these, just cut it up to put ham on the pizza, because they didn't have shredded ham. Another thing that they had sold out of. Well, I'm not sure, I didn't actually go in store, but they had sold out of it on the online app, so I grabbed that ham for the pizzas. Then I also grabbed 2 loaves of sandwich bread. I've been grabbing the wholemeal bread lately. If you've been here a while, you know I was trying to convert my kids over to wholemeal, but the wholemeal bread has been awful lately, so not even I can eat it myself, so I'm not going to be giving it to them. I don't think that's fair. So I've gone ahead and gone back to white bread. I did order the low GI, but again, they probably had sold out of that and they've just substituted it with this, so that's not a problem at all. I also grabbed a huge 2 kilo beef lasagna for dinner one night with that salad, as I was saying. I also grabbed a big celery, mostly for mine and the kids' lunches. I'm just going to add some peanut butter to that and make it just a quick snack on the side. I also grabbed our usual 2 litre A2 light milk that I mentioned earlier. I grabbed a huge kilo box of pink lady apples. I went ahead and spoiled my 4-year-old this week. Well, I wouldn't say spoiled. They're still healthy foods, but these are super expensive. They're like $3 a packet and they come with like 5 crisps in the bag, but he loves them, so I grabbed him 2 packs of each. There's strawberry flavored and banana flavored, both of which he's obsessed with. I think you can get mango as well, but I don't think he would like that flavor, so I'm not wasting $3 on a pack just to find out that he doesn't like them. I stocked up on yogurt pouches this week, so I got a few pouches of the apple, pear and cinnamon porridge for my youngest, and I also just grabbed a whole bunch of the strawberry probiotics yogurts for my 4-year-old. I'm actually surprised that they gave me these many yogurts. I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure that I ordered like 20 or something, and there is limits on a lot of food, I thought. Well, I was pretty sure there was, but they gave me all the yogurts. They didn't limit those, so maybe it's just because they're closer to their expiration date. I'm not sure, but anyways, I was happy that we got all those yogurts, so we should be stocked up for a while now on those. I also grabbed a whole bunch of these Table of Plenty mini rice cakes in the triple berry yogurt flavor. My daughter is obsessed with these, and again, I'm trying not to panic buy, but there would be a very panicked household if we ran out of these. So I went ahead and brought a whole bunch of packets of those to hopefully last a couple of weeks. That's the other packet of the banana crisps that shouldn't be on this side of the bench, but I'm pretty sure, I don't know if I've forgotten anything. I think that is everything that's in the grocery haul this week. I'm probably going to notice something once I turn the camera off, but anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to see you back here next week. Don't be shy, say hi in the comments down below, let me know that you're here and watching, and be sure to head on over to Alan's channel over on Alan Plans. She has a grocery haul up for you at the moment. I appreciate you guys being here. I hope you all have a really great week, and I will be back here again really soon with a brand new grocery haul.
Gotta put on my favorite